How to fix a relationship that feels like it's falling apart. When your relationship feels like it's falling apart, it's easy to feel lost. Maybe your partner is thinking of leaving, and you're wondering how to fix things. Can you change the situation before it's too late? The good news is yes, you can. But it starts with recognizing and breaking negative patterns while replacing them with positive ones. Negative vs positive chain reactions. Every interaction can create either a negative or a positive ripple effect. Constant arguments lead to blame, hurt feelings, and emotional distance, which over time may push her away. On the other hand, positive moments like laughter, support, and warmth bring you closer together. Another common issue is insecurity and jealousy. If a man starts doubting himself or questioning his partner, she may lose respect and feel less attracted to him. The more insecure he becomes, the more distant she feels, leading to a deeper disconnect. But when a man is confident and trusting, it fosters mutual respect and deepens emotional and physical attraction, turning small conflicts into connection. Consider a simple household disagreement. She asks, "Did you take out the trash?" And he forgot again. If he responds with excuses or frustration, the tension grows. She feels unheard, and he feels nagged. Over time, resentment builds. Now imagine a different approach. Instead of getting defensive, he jokes, "I was waiting for you to come home so I could put you in the trash too," followed by a playful hug and a laugh. Suddenly, the moment shifts. The task still gets done, but the energy is light and positive instead of tense and negative. These small, playful shifts rewire the emotional connection between partners. When you consistently replace negativity with humor and warmth, the relationship starts to feel lighter, easier, and more enjoyable, creating a lasting change. This is just one example of how shifting your energy can improve a relationship. If you want to rebuild love, start focusing on how you make her feel. When she feels good around you, she naturally wants to stay. Even if things seem difficult now, small consistent changes can revive the spark. Ready for more real-life insights on love, connection, and self-improvement? Follow Improve Better daily for practical relationship tips that truly work.